Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and as you guys can see from the title, it's my husband's birthday, so wish him happy birthday in the comments down below. And today we have lots of plans. We are going to do a boat ride and city bus travel. Let's see ke huncha. So stay tuned guys, we are going to have lots of fun. By the way, I have already done my makeup. This is my makeup for today. Today I am wearing winged eyeliner with nude lips. It looks red right now, but it's kind of like a brownish pinkish nude. It's a matte lipstick, and we have already packed our luggage as well. It's right now 7:30, so we are going downstairs for our brekkie. By the way, आज चाहिँ Saturday हो, त्यही भएर यहाँ चाहिँ breakfast चाहिँ 8 बजे मात्र खुल्छ रे. So we are just chilling right over here, watching the view and having a good time. So this is my hubby. He's also enjoying the view. Happy birthday, Babu. This is the view guys from our dining room, and it looks really pretty. I'm gonna miss this. यो एरियामा चाहिँ म हिजो र अस्ति आएको थिएन, and it is so beautiful over here and so relaxing as well. Love it. We are still waiting for our breakfast, did some photo shoots, and yeah, really having a good time. So it's 8 AM, that means we got to eat our breakfast buffet. That's my husband's plate and this is my plate. So guys, हामी breakfast खाएर 1 घण्टा जस्तो हाम्रो रुममा बस्यो र अब चाहिँ it's time to check out and explore the town. अहिले चाहिँ हामीले होटलबाट चेक आउट गरेर भ्यायो, अनि अहिले हामी गाडीमा जाँदै हो टाउनतिर, र बोटको चाहिँ 10:30 बजे हामी त्यहाँ पुग्नु पर्छ. त्यही भएर अहिले चाहिँ हामी अन आवर वे. अनि बसको चाहिँ आई थिंक एनी टाइम हो, 24 आवर जति चढे नि हुन्छ. कति 16 पाउन्ड जस्तो लाग्छ हैन. अनि बोटको चाहिँ 7 पाउन्ड हो या. So yeah, we're really excited. By the way, I didn't tell you guys in my last vlogs, but हाम्रो होटलमा चाहिँ नेट त्यति राम्रो थिएन. It was really crappy to be honest. त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ vlogsहरु अपलोड गर्न पाइरहेको थिएन. I'm so sorry about it guys. तर in a way it is good as well, cause I get to, you know, enjoy and spend time with my husband and have fun over here. Sorry about it, but I hope you will understand. अहिले चाहिँ हामी ब्रिजको तल आइपुग्यो, तर we don't know where's the boat to be honest. We asked the guy and he was telling us this is where you take the boat from. So we are just looking for someone who can, you know, guide us and tell us where to pay for the boat ride. Boat ride se cancel bhayo cause we don't know where's the boat, where to pay, you know. So it's a boo-boo, but we are heading over the bridge. From there we can take the city bus and explore the city. So see you there. Hamle yo boat cruising che bhettayo, tara I think it is closed today. Nobody's here. So update guys, it's raining today. त्यही भएर चाहिँ कुनै पनि बोटहरु चलेको नरहेछ. So yeah, that's the update. अहिले चाहिँ हामी हिँड्दै हो बस स्टपतिर. Hello, this is my sweet Sooo. I just met her in Bath and she's so sweet, and this is her shop. It is so pretty. I will leave the address in here for you all. Thank you. Okay, fantastic. Bye. Bye. So this is the shop guys. It's so pretty. That's the address. You can buy lots of souvenirs from here. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I will show you inside as well. It's a very cute little shop. So nice. So अहिले चाहिँ हामी city bus चढ्न लाग्यो. I just met my lovely Shabi and it was so nice meeting her. अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो city bus को माथि हो. The bus is about to leave. It's so pretty over here. Look at that. हामी चाहिँ सिटी बसबाट झर्यो अनि अहिले हामी यो ग्लास शपमा हो. एकदमै राम्रो राम्रो ग्लासको सामानहरु पाउँछ यहाँ चाहिँ. I will show you around. अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो सुशीमा खानाको लन्च टाइम भइसकेको छ and we are super hungry. So guys, I'm going to end today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. And there's something in here. That's my food. I just ate a donut, that's why it's everywhere. Anyways, I'm going to end today's vlog because it's my husband's birthday and I like to spend time with him. We might go and watch a movie later on, and then I'm really happy because I met a Sooo as well. It was so nice meeting her. She was a very lovely girl. Definitely check out her shop. It's in Bath near the bus stop, so definitely pop in there and say hi to her. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.